Hi, welcome to the Problem Solving Skills course in business. And allow me to start by saying that this is just a course that tries to explain how we identify problems in our society or in our environment, and how we can be able to create solutions for some of those problems. So this is just an introduction part of the course. And what I'm trying to bring out in this introduction is the course outline that we'll be using in this course. And as I've said, I want us to look at how we can be able to solve problems, especially in the business arena. And for us to be able to solve problems, then we have to understand how we can be able to generate ideas. And the first lessons will be actually about how we generate business ideas. And in this lesson, we are going to look at the different tools that we can be able to use. So we can use the skill experience canvas. Actually, this is a canvas that I made myself that tries to help people to generate business ideas. Then we can also use the lazy user model. This is a model that talks about how people can be able to take advantage of what people don't want to do to try to start a business. We can use the design thinking map. And lastly, we are also going to look at what we call the empathy map. Now, after we have identified our problems, or after we have identified an idea, or we have learned how to generate an idea, the next thing that we need to look at is how we can be able to actually identify the value or the benefit that people can be able to buy from that idea that we have generated. And in this case, we are going to look at who the customers are, the problems that these customers have, the pains that they are going through, and the gains that they can be able to look for, or they are looking for in your idea, or what the product that you want to make. So lesson 3 will be about developing a business model. Remember, we have started by generating an idea. Then we have identified the benefit that people are looking for from that idea, or what people can buy or pay for in that idea. So the next thing is that we need to also look at the viability of that idea. How viable is that idea, especially when it comes to implementation? And here we are going to draw or to develop what we call a business model. And we are going to use what we call the business model canvas by Alex Osvaldo. So we are going to use that canvas, and it is going to help us to develop a business model. So after we have developed a business model, the next thing that we need to do in our lesson 4 is to look at how we develop the customers. Remember, the customers are never available. Customers are developed. So how do we develop these customers? So we are going to look at customers discovery, customers validation, how we create customers, and lastly, how we grow our business after we have created customers. So that is our introduction part of the lesson. And those are the 4 lessons that we are going to offer in this class. So thank you very much, and you are welcome to our course.